Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking you to a place where nature meets history, where blue waters stretch endlessly, and where you might just find the best grilled fish of your life. Yes, we're talking about Lake Sevan and Sevanavank Monastery in Armenia. So grab your sunscreen, hiking shoes, and maybe a snack because we're going to talk about food later and you don't want to be hungry. It's time for an adventure.
Ano, kaya nyo pa? Malayo pa.
Tara.
Oh, guys. Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Mamaya na, doon muna tayo dumiretso.
First up, Lake Sivan, also known as Armenia's Blue Pearl. Imagine a lake so big that it looks like an ocean. Now imagine it sitting on top of a mountain. Yep, Lake Sivan is one of the world's largest high-altitude lakes, sitting at 1,900 meters above sea level. That's like stacking 5 Empire State Buildings on top of each other. Fun fact, this lake is so massive that it covers nearly 5% of Armenia's total land area. If Armenia was a pizza, this lake would be one giant slice. But Lake Sevan isn't just a pretty face, it's also super important for Armenia. It provides drinking water, hydroelectric power, fishing grounds for the famous Ishkan or Sevan trout, which by the way is delicious. More on that later. And get this, locals say the color of the lake changes with the sky, from deep blue to turquoise depending on the time of day. If only my mood swings looked this pretty. But the real magic, it's up on the hill at Sevanavank Monastery. Let's head there. Let's talk food. If there's one thing you must eat at Lake Sevan, it's the Sevan trout. This grilled fish is so famous that locals say if you visit Sevan and don't eat the trout, your trip doesn't count. Grilled Sevan trout is a perfection. Horovats, Armenian BBQ, it's heaven. Armenian wine, don't mind if I do. And pro tip, if an Armenian grandma invites you to eat, say yes. Your life will never be the same.
Hello po.
Time for a little hike. Right on a peninsula overlooking the lake, which used to be an island, by the way, sits Sevanavank Monastery, a place that has stood the test of time. Built in 874 AD by Princess Mariam, this monastery was created as a retreat for monks. Imagine monks just chilling here, surrounded by water, mountains, and fresh air. Talk about peaceful. The monastery has two churches, Surp Arakelots, Holy Apostles, Surp Astvatsatsin, Holy Mother of God. They're built using black volcanic stone, making them look ancient, powerful, and slightly mysterious. Inside, you'll see beautifully carved kachkars, Armenian cross stones, each with its own unique story. And then there's the view. You climb up, turn around, and boom! The most epic panoramic view of Lake Sevan. At sunrise, breathtaking. At sunset, magical. At night, well, it's dark. But the stars make up for it. Oh, and if you're thinking, should I hike up? The answer is yes. Just bring good shoes. Besides eating delicious food and pretending to be a monk at Sevanavank, what else can you do at Lake Sevan? Swimming and boating. The water is cold but refreshing. Biking and hiking. Trails with stunning views. Photography, because this place is Instagram gold. Kayaking and jet skiing. If you love speed and water, sailing. If you're feeling fancy. Best time to visit? Summer for swimming and fun. Winter if you want to see the lake partially frozen. Super cool. Alright, final thoughts. Lake Sevan is one of the most beautiful lakes in the world. Sevanavank Monastery is a historic treasure with epic views. Food is 10-10, would eat again, activities equal endless fun. If you ever visit Armenia, this place needs to be on your list. And hey, If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps. Till next time, safe travels, and may your fish always be fresh.